Belinda, thank you for being here with me today. What are your thoughts on Senate Bill 1205?
Well, I was reading over Senate Bill 1205, and one thing I noticed is that basically it's a replay of something Texas did back in 1975. So we're looking at something that happened 50 years ago. What's interesting is that right here in Tyler, the case that was litigated that went up to the Supreme Court that said what Senate Bill 1205 is trying to do is unconstitutional, actually came out of Tyler, Texas. And that's a Supreme Court case is called Plyler versus Doe. And in that case, a group of students who did not have legal status were able to bring a suit against Tyler TISD. And they won at the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court said basically that undocumented children have a right to a free education here in the United States. And that was decided back in 1982. But the case began in 1975. So this is a rollback of something that happened 50 years ago, right here in Tyler, actually.
So, do you feel as though this, if it were to pass, could be struck down as unconstitutional?
Well, I think that what we're looking at is that Texas is one of a handful of Republican-led states that are attempting to pass these laws in an attempt to challenge these up at the Supreme Court. And I believe what they're trying to do is overturn Plyler versus Doe in hopes that the Supreme Court will revisit this issue because otherwise, Senate Bill 1205 is clearly unconstitutional.